Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I am, among all these other projects, have a couple dolls that came, or I hope that's what this is, for a project I'm doing. And I wanted to open them up on camera because of proof of problems. Oh, that's a lot of yellow. Let's see what we got. One dress, I think. Let's look. 2 dolls should be 2 sets of hands and 2 dresses. What did I get? What do I always get? 1 dress. Sure enough, 1 dress. Oh, wait. Nope. Nope. 1 dress. 2 sets of hands, though, and that's what's important. So, but it does make me mad. I bought 4 of these in 3 days' time. You would think I would get the little dresses, but no. All right, let's just check out these little girls. Make sure everything's okay so I can get going on my project with them. I love these midi Blythes. Their bodies are absolutely tiny. I'll show you in just a minute. And their eyes, they do not, well, they do at my house anymore, but they don't have pull strings. They have a dial in the back. Their eyes do not change color, but they do change directions. Let me show you. Oh my God, these are so cute. As you can see, I am loving the rainbow-haired Blythe dolls. She has on a little sweater that Lorraine from Serenata sent me. Oh God, I love that. Daisy has, oh sweetheart. Daisy has on the other one. All right, let's see this girl. Oh, they're so stinking cute. Let me pull this off and then put it back. I wonder if I could just pull it up. There's a dial in the back, and you move that back and forth, and their eyes change direction. Oh, good. She has green eyes, too. The other 2 do, and I'm hoping this last one does. Oh, God, they're so pretty. Look at this hair. This one has more yellow in her hair, and that's not a bad thing. The pink is more underneath, but this one looks like it might have a little purple in it. I don't know. It might just be pink. And anyway, gorgeous little doll. Oh, I was going to show you how tiny these dolls really are. This is an average pair of scissors. And as you can see, they're very tiny dolls. The head is deceiving. The head is on a ball joint, and it does move around, unlike the Neo-sized Blythes. They have a lot of articulation. Okay, let's look at the next girl, because I know this is getting long, but if there's something I like to talk about, it is my Blythe dolls. I have all kinds of Blythe dolls, from Kenner to, well, I have all of the stock dolls except Good Smile Company. And I need one of those, but I don't need it today. I'd rather get another Kenner. Oh, God, isn't she cute? Yes, green eyes. Now, her hair is more like the other girls when they arrived. All right, let's take a look. Check her dial. Like an old scary painting in an old scary movie. Everything looks good. She looks tight. Oh, she is cute. Love the hair. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please stay tuned to see what I am doing with these 4 rainbow hair midi Blythes. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.